Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jazwal and I post videos on how to do easy cocktails at home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the sex on the beach. Whoa guys, you guys all look excited about it. This cocktail is based with vodka, cranberry juice, orange juice and peach liqueur. So take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you could use any glass at home. Add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. Add about 20 ml of your peach liqueur. If you don't have a peach liqueur, you could use a peach syrup or whichever one you have at home. So there you go. Add some orange juice. And top it up with cranberry. There you go guys. You could also shake this cocktail if you want, but I like to have my sex on the beach built. To complete your drink, add a garnish. You could use orange or orange with a cherry or whichever one you have. So I'll be going this with an orange slice. There you go guys, and cheers guys. That's your sex on the beach. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.